In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Slack workspace URL. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to open your Slack workspace. This can be done either by launching the Slack desktop app or by navigating to the Slack website in your web browser. Once you've logged into your account, you'll notice a left sidebar that lists all your channels and workspaces. The next step is to click on the name of your workspace. You'll find this at the very top of that left sidebar. Just give it a click, and this action will open up a drop-down menu. Now, as that menu unfolds, you're looking for a way to access your workspace settings. Move your cursor down to where it says Tools and Settings. Hover over this option, and you should see another option appear. Click on Edit Workspace Details. This selection will lead you to a new page that contains various settings and details about your workspace. Once you're on the Workspace Details page, take a moment to look around. What you're searching for is the field labeled Workspace URL. This specific field is precisely where your unique Slack address is displayed. It will typically have the format of yourworkspace.slack.com. To make use of this URL, simply click on it to highlight it, and then you can copy it. You can use the standard keyboard shortcuts. That would be Control and C on Windows or Command and C on a Mac to copy it to your clipboard. Or, if you right-click with your mouse, you'll find the copy option there as well. And that's really all there is to it. You've successfully found and copied your Slack workspace URL, which is incredibly handy. Whether it's sharing the link with new team members or simply keeping it for your own records, knowing how to access this URL can save you a lot of time in the future. Just to recap, remember to open your Slack, click on your workspace name, navigate to Edit Workspace Details, and then find and copy the workspace URL. Now, I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you have any questions or if you encountered any trouble while following along, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to help you out. Also, if you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Slack and other productivity tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next